Five kilometers or 45 minutes northeast of Kathmandu Valley is a must-see place when in Nepal. Namaste! Aishul here, and I'm coming to you live from Pashupatinath Temple. However, it's a bit far from Tamil, and I took a taxi, 450 Nepali rupee. It's the day 16th of backpacking Nepal.
Philippines.
Yep.
We have to mention the country.
Okay.
You can go.
Why is it? It says foreigners are not allowed to Buddhist temple?
Foreigners are not allowed to go to the main temples. Only one, but there are several temples where you can visit. Come here. So this is the main temple. Is only for Hindu.
Okay.
So at this moment we are just behind.
Oh, okay.
So this is the back part of the
Right,
temple.
the cremation?
The cremation area.
Is there a cremation going on this time?
Yeah, it's going on.
Oh, great.
So this ticket for one day. Please come, follow me.
Oh, sure. Thank you. First part, I got in. I paid 1,000 rupees for the entrance. And this is the main Hindu temple. Apparently, foreigners are not allowed, only locals, only Hindus, and they have to take off their shoes. And then I saw a person washing his feet over there. They have to clean themselves before getting into this temple. Namaste. Namaste.
Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum.
I walked down, turned left, and here I am at the cremation. Pashupatinath Temple / Cremation Temple, known to travelers, holds a peculiar death rites religiously practiced by the Hindus. Just in time on that pyres and midway cremating our bodies. It lasts for 3 hours of cremation, after which the ashes will be washed out into Bagmati River. Astounded by a surreal scenario of cremation, fire, burning woods, smoke, added up by the ambience, sent goosebumps. Witnessing such on a stone's throw away from me is something unexplainable, and it's for real. This is why I travel to experience such culture or religious practices. Bagmati River bank stretches kilometers for the cremation pyres, and here another cremation is about to happen, just in front of the sacred Hindu temples. Though the extensive Hindu temple is strictly off limit to foreigners and non-Hindus, here are small temples and a few Nepali-style pagodas to explore. What a unique travel experience to come into. I'm leaving Pashupatinath Temple / Cremation Center. I thought I'd just take a taxi. I had enough walking today. Thank you for these locals that they opened their temple to travelers and witness the sacred, unique burial rituals. Took a taxi and headed southeast of Kathmandu city, sandwiched with ancient Nepali houses in a narrow alley, but I'm enjoying the ride. Are there people still living in these houses? Oh. Here I am in Patan for a full pack of lunch. Rice, please.
But not from the 40 months. So will you get it when you finished it?
How do I eat this one?
I'm about to ask you.
These are
We are like more
Okay, hold on. Okay.
This would give
the spoon and
Put it
the
in the
soup,
water.
yeah.
Oh, and then what is this?
This is tomato.
Tomato, and
Yeah.
this is
radish.
radish.
Spanish fermented.
Fermented radish.
Radish. Yeah.
Is it also fermented?
No.
No, and
Cauli-
cauliflower,
cauli, yeah. Spinach.
Oh, I
spinach.
see.
Yeah.
So they're
Potato.
Potato.
Is there
Pork.
any spicy?
I think only
Those
this one, little
This
bit.
one. Okay. And what is this?
This is called peppermint.
Peppermint.
Yeah.
Okay. So I just have a bit of them
Yeah.
and then one spoon. Okay.
If you
Thank you.
need
So
more, you can
I
take
know,
from
that's
here.
what happens.
And there is more rice.
I know
Extra
with my
rice.
own
Yeah.
school when
Holy
I'm not
moly! I
there.
have extra rice. I like that. Thank you.
When I'm not there,
This is my first California. Sorry, I'm vlogging.
you can enjoy it. Somebody else.
Thank you.
I do that too.
Run it.
But the thing with
Oh wow, that's
if
spicy.
you stop because you are doing it for the money and someone doesn't pay you, right? And then you stop. I don't want to do it anymore.
Fermented
And you get
spinach.
lost. So
We
then,
can do that,
but the wheel stops. Yeah, it's not good. So all you need to do
Soup.
is keep the wheel rolling, and
Ooh.
everything else will.
And the pork one.
That's nice.
It's a bit spicy.
Yeah. But it's actually keeping the wheel rolling.
And then
It's difficult
why
if you're not getting
I'm
rewarded.
involved in the many other things also.
Yeah.
For just so
This
I have not much time to spend
tastes like an adobo.
things.
I had this takali set for my lunch. Look at them over there. It's a really cool place in Patan. It's a small alley but very interesting place. So, yep, done with lunch and now ready to explore Patan.